Hi everyone and good evening. My name is Mike Warrior and I'm a computer guru. I'm a computer technopher. So right now, right here at my place, I'm just trying to test the laptop which I disassembled yesterday night actually. And right now, I'm just trying to now put the components together and see how far I've gone and if it is working. Okay, so what I did was just to dismantle everything and make sure that I start diagnosing each and every single component. And of course, this laptop had a power issue. So power issue is one of the most stubborn problem that is faced in most of the electronic devices. So right now, I'm just trying to put everything since I did disassembled and everything. And now, right now, this time around, I'm just trying to put everything together, the components and all the RAMs and the hard drive and everything that was just removed. Okay, so I just want to show you. I've just done everything. I've put everything, as you can see. What I've done is I've just put the RAM, which you can see, the RAM over there, and also the screen, which was also dismantled, as well as the fan was removed, the CPU. I had to remove the CPU, which is this one over here, so you can see it. And also I've not put the hard drive, and I've not put these unnecessary components which are not attached to the turning on of the PC and the light. The keyboard is not necessary when you're testing it. So you just have to put all the necessary components, the RAM, the fan, the CPU, of course the fan and the cooling system there. So you don't have to put the keyboard, which is right here. You don't have to put the hard drive for the time, since you just want to see testing, of course, if the power supply is being distributed to the entire motherboard. Okay, so guys, I'm going to pause and I'll show you if it is working, and if it is, then well, job done. Okay, and I will try to show you the steps that I made for this laptop to start. Hey, so welcome back again. So I've just turned on the laptop, and there it is on. I can just show you. You can see, I think everyone is able to see the enter button there, continue, press escape key for startup menu, as well as also the BIOS recovery whatsoever. So you can actually see that I've not connected everything. So this is what I just needed for me to test if the laptop has worked, if what I did has been successful. Okay, so now that the laptop is working, so it's time now to assemble everything and make sure that all the components are in place wherever they were removed from. You have to put them back. Okay, so let me just try to show you once more. I'm going to turn this off, and then after I turn it off, then I'll show you exactly right in this video how it is just taking time to come on the screen, and as well as you know, everything just putting itself together. Okay, just like yourself, when you are waking up, you take time just to move out of your bed because you are trying to, you know, you boost yourself, you know what I'm saying, trying to get yourself everything up. So I'm just turning on now. And then also I'm going to remove the power pack. So I'm removing the power pack now. Okay, there you go. So now, as you can see, nothing is on there. I've just disconnected the power pack, which is this one, as well as I just turned it on. Okay, off. So I'm going to put it back so that you guys, you can see if this is working. Okay, so as you can see, I've just plugged the power pack back into the charging port of the laptop. So I'm going to press the power button to switch on the laptop. So watch me what is I'm switching on. Okay, okay, so there you go. So that's it's working. So wonderful, we have made it. That's it, guys. All I wanted to share with you is that working on something that is very sophisticated, something that is very difficult. Computers, you have to understand them. Make sure you understand how each and every single component on the inside connects together, interact together, and how they work in order to for the laptop to turn on the screen, how the CPU just put the image onto the screen, how the RAM is able to give you access to the data that is coming from the hard drive, and then part of it partially is put on the RAM and you're able to access. Okay, so it's bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully I'm gonna post something so simple. I know this is a quick video, but don't worry, I'll upload something step by step that if you are one of those who would like to go into the hardware and maintenance of the laptops and everything, so I'll just try to do my best and put some sequential step by step video in which you can actually follow properly. But for now, guys, I'll see you, and it's bye bye and it's good night.